California, ain't there? Yeah, it's a lot farther from 54 to 55 than it is from 55 to 56. You know, that's why I don't trust the mile marker.
Maybe they're just sight markers.
It could. That's what I was thinking myself, to tell you the truth. See, even your prop, which way it turns, has to deal which way your boat's gonna go most of all, you know. I remember watching a Below Deck, and that's what he had a problem with, is where he was docked, how he was docked, and the rotation of his props was going to send him right into the wall, you know. Not bad steering, huh? We could have crashed a couple of times.
Yeah.
If we get to